Okay, right now I'm just going to walk you through how to uh, do this little assignment, this discussion assignment. You're going to be using Weave Video, and there's a video posted on how to create a video. But you're going to be creating a couple different videos here of yourself answering a question. So first thing you'll go to in this case, this is the alcohol responses worksheet for health class. Just go ahead and write that in. Okay, so as you can see, whatever the question is, we'll have the question right here. So let's Mrs. Lewis will give you that question, whoever your teacher is will give you that question. And then here you might find your name. Now, in this case, these are not real students. You have Mrs. Lewis or Mr. T or Tommy or Jimmy or whoever. Your name is right here. So uh, when you start, like for example, John, if I'm John, I might answer the question, whatever the question is. So I did that earlier. I created a video. And here is John answering the question. Now, when I get to this screen, I'm basically done. All I have to do is Control and C, copy that link at the top. My name is John, so I'm going to be putting it under my answer. I put it right there. I'm done with the first part. Part one is finished. I've answered the question. I recorded myself. Now, all I need to do is put it there. But I might need to respond like once or twice or three times to other students. So let me go ahead and see what I might do. In this case, I recorded a video. This video was me responding to Steven's video. So I'm on the correct screen here. I grab this with Control C, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this right under Steven's name. Now remember, I'm not answering because I'm not Steven. I'm responding to Steven, so I'm going to put that there. Now, if there's no spot to respond, I won't write anything. I can't respond to that student. I have to find another student. So I would listen to Stevens, and I would respond with whatever I think. Now, the last one I said, maybe I need to do two responses. Well, here, this is John responding to Jane's video. Same thing, I'm on this screen right here. You can see all these. I'm going to go up to the link at the top, highlight it, Control C. And now this one, I'm responding to Jane. So now I've responded to two other students. Again, if there's space, I can put up there. If there's no space, I have to find a different student to respond to. But in this case, I listened to Jane's, and I responded to her. I gave what I thought using whatever sentence frames or whatever kind of conversation moves I might have. And that's basically it. Don't forget also when you are answering your questions, always look around on the worksheet to see, check if you have some sentence frames that you might use if you're having some trouble. We'll try and put some sentence frames on there to help you answer the question. You can just start there and kind of go off at the end and answer with like facts or examples or evidence or whatever you found. Also, double check the word bank. You don't need to use all of the words in there, but the more of those words you can use and practice, the better. And don't forget when you respond to people, let's try and use some respectful discourse and read your conversation moves. When you agree with somebody, when you disagree with them, when you're adding on to what they're saying, try and use your conversation moves in those responses as well.